Hello, my dear student. How are you? I think all of you are very well and fine. Thank you. I am Shobhas Chakraborty, Senior English teacher, Dhageshwari Mills School and College, Bandar, Narayanganj. Now, we know we have a religious festival of the Muslim in Bangladesh. Can you tell me the name of that festival? Yes, it is Eid Day. Now, I am going to say some things about Eid Day. You open your text, you will find it in Unit 12, Lesson 3, B. Here is written, my roads. Please practice it from your textbook. I am writing the unit and lesson. Unit 12, Lesson 3, my roads. So, we know before practicing or realizing any topics, we should give importance or we should know the word meaning. That is why I will write here some word meaning. It will help you to realize or to understand the passage clearly. I should you will write it and practice just now. You see, this word meaning you will find in your textbook or in your text. Which are you going to practice? First, here I am writing festival. Means Utsav. Festival means Utsav. It is very common word. Now, second one, near and dear one. Near and dear ones. এটার বাংলা হচ্ছে আত্মীয় স্বজন বা কাছের লোক। Next, now you look and realize near and dear ones, আত্মীয় স্বজন বা কাছের লোক। So, next one, desire. Desire. বাসনা বা আকাঙ্ক্ষা। You see, this one is desire, dear, DEAR. For your clear realization, I am writing again DEAR, dear. Desire, বাসনা বা আকাঙ্ক্ষা. Next, hazard, HAZARD. Hazard means ঝুঁকি. Have you written it? Now I am vanishing or rubbing the first two word meaning. Hazard means ঝুঁকি. Then roads. Roads means শিকড়. Roads means শিকড়. Then you write invisible, invisible. Invisible means অদৃশ্য, যা চোখে দেখা যায় না. After vacation, vacation means ছুটি. After identity, identity. Identity means সত্তা বা পরিচয়. Next, you see empty, 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 শূন্য. Empty means শূন্য and vacation, identity here empty, শূন্য. Another word, very important word, bond, 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 বন্ধন. So these are the important words you will find in your text. I think you should realize or practice these words. Next, I am going to discuss the topics Open your textbook and check. Eid Day is a religious festival of Muslim and only Muslim in Bangladesh. It is the day of joy and happiness. We want to share the joy and happiness with our dear and near ones. We became happy if we able to share our happiness with others. It is very important things, and the people who lives or who living outside the house because of different reason, they have a mad rush to board on buses, trains, steamers to come back their homes. And this rushes make accidents. Sometimes it makes accidents. Though it has result, people become mad. Can you tell me why the people become mad to come back their homes? Yes, it is because of roads. Every man has roads, but these roads not like a tree. This road is invisible. এই শিকড় হচ্ছে অদৃশ্য, আমরা এই শিকড়কে দেখতে পাই না, but because of the pulling of roots, man became mad. এই শিকড়ের টানে মানুষ তার গৃহে ফেরার জন্য পাগল হয়ে যায় during Eid festival. But you know, এই শিকড়টাকে আমরা দেখতে পাই না, এটা গাছের শিকড়ের মতো নয়, but every man have roots. Now what is roots? Roots is a things, one kinds of pulling, এক ধরনের টান বা আকর্ষণ যা মানুষকে আপনজনের কাছে ফিরিয়ে আনার জন্য আকুল করে তোলে. That is why they try to come back their homes and meet their relatives and share their happiness with near and dear ones, with kin and kin. তাদের আত্মীয় স্বজন আপনজনের সাথে তারা এই ঈদের সুখকে ভাগাভাগি করার জন্য they become mad. You see, because of rudeness, it makes a bond between man, relatives, and it makes bond where they lives, they has grown up, and all surrounding lands, trees, place, etc. They have a strong pole, but we cannot see it. It is invisible. এটা অদৃশ্য, কিন্তু এটা টান রয়েছে। These things expose the identity of a man. The identity of a man, and we have identity, we have roots, we have relatives. That is why during Eid vacation or any other festival day, we rush to come back our homes, though there are a lot of hazards. We don't think about our life, our things, how can we reach our home and how can we share our joy and happiness. Again I am saying, what is the reason? The reason, roots. Every man have roots. I have told you, this root is not like a roots of a tree. It is invisible. So we should make our bond. If we lose our bond, we lose our identity. This man don't know from where they come and where they are going, and at the last moment they feel empty. This is not good. So this is the main theme of the passage. You should practice this passage at home. Now I am giving you homework. You will practice this homework at your house. You see and write this. You see, I am reading this topics or question. Eid is a religious dash in our country. Every year we dash this day. আমরা প্রতি বছর এই দিন ড্যাশ এই দিন। You see, our relatives, dash outside of home dash Raj come back home. See, dash Raj to come here, come back home. You see, HOMES, you see this one, and K, come back home. Sometimes they lost dash E A B T E F. Sometimes they lost dash. Though, you see, though they have dash. Why they do it? It is dash which. Why they do it? It is dash which make M-A-K-E, which make dash with dash now. Now the topics and homework is finished. You should practice it at home and you must submit in the next class. Thank you all very much.